In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import references into Zotero. By the end, you'll know exactly how to attach a reference link to an item in your library so you can jump back to the source in one click and keep everything neatly organized. Start by opening Zotero. You can use the desktop app or the web library. Either way, make sure you're in the account and library you want to work with. Give the app a second to sync if you use Zotero across devices, so the latest changes are available. Next, look at the left sidebar and click the collection you want to use. Collections act like folders, helping you keep projects, courses, or papers separate. Picking the right collection first keeps your reference in the right place from the start. If you don't have the perfect collection yet, no worries. You can always reorganize later by dragging items around. Now, in the center pane, find and click the title of the reference you want to update. Clicking the title selects that item and shows its details on the right. This ensures the link you're about to add attaches to the correct reference. If you're not seeing details, make sure the item is highlighted and that you've selected the correct collection. On the right side, locate the paperclip icon. This is your attachment area where you can connect supporting materials to the selected item. Click the paperclip and Zotero will open a small prompt for the link. This is helpful when you want to connect the item to a stable source like a journal page, a DOI landing page, or a publisher's site. Paste the link from your document into the field. A reliable, permanent link is best. If you have a DOI or a publisher URL, use that over a temporary or session-based link. Before you move on, glance over the URL to make sure it's complete and doesn't include extra characters. You'll also see a place to add a title for the link. This is optional, but it's a great way to label what the link points to, like publisher page or data set. Clear labels make scanning your attachments faster, especially when an item has multiple links. That's it. You've attached a reference link to your Zotero item. As a quick quality check, click the new link to confirm it opens correctly. If you work offline frequently, remember that links require an internet connection. You can always add local files separately later if needed. Thanks for watching and happy organizing in Zotero.